Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, I'm just cutting up some strips of plywood in order to make, just a second. Safety first, right? I'm just cutting up some strips of plywood here that I'm going to make some ice fishing tip-ups. So if you want to see the finished product, stay tuned. Put two washers here so that the steel will rub against the steel. And the washer and a nut. We have to make sure there's not a whole lot of friction in this joint, because it'll be like this, and then when a fish takes the bait, pulls on the line, this part will go up. Now we wrap some line around the spool. This happens to be 30-pound monofilament, but you could use braided line if you like. I'm going to put on 5 to 7 yards, 5 to 7 meters of line. Put a couple of screw eyes in it, one in the middle and one up at the other end. I'll feed the line through the screw eyes, and then I'll put a snap swivel on the end. So there's a snap swivel. Then I can just hook a leader and a hook on the end of this with some bait. And hopefully there'll be some fish interested in my bait. So I'm going to put together a couple of these tip-ups, and hopefully in January I'll be able to get some ice fishing done. Since I shot the first part of this video about a week or so ago, I've made a couple of modifications to the tip-ups so that they would fit inside this duffel bag. So anyway, it folds up nice compact package like this. The base has a rubber band around the front just to keep it together. I also put some red duct tape on this flag and the spool. And the spool is actually mounted a little differently now too. It's actually in line with that instead of overlapping it. So that'll make it a lot easier to carry. A lot more portable. I'll be able to lash it to my sled and drag it out over to the lake. Anyway, wish me luck with my ice fishing. This is Muskrat Jim signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.